Sometimes we find that investing agencies say that we correct the case. They catch somebody and put him inside. And Honorable Speaker, you know that sometimes we ourselves appear there, get those people discharged from the court. Sometimes we file petition by saying he's innocent and he's not involved. We get it quashed, FIR quashed. Why should people suffer this kind of fate of being wrongly arrested? Someone gets headlines, someone gets a President's medal or maybe the Chief Minister's medal for putting somebody inside, an innocent person. I don't believe this. So I think that this, the police need to work out. Even I've seen that they have used a technique of an approver. What's an approver? He's a co-accused. He's a co-accused who comes and makes a confessional statement. And they say, we promise that we will release you after you make the statement against the other people. Honorable Speaker, you remember there's a particular case of Pratima Naik double murder case which took place in Vasco da Gama. In that matter, I was asked by the High Court to appoint appear as amicus curiae, that is a friend of the court, free of cost. I appeared. It was a double murder. She was convicted. Matter was an appeal. I argued the matter. There was an approver. I argued. I never saw the lady, but I got her totally out, totally acquitted, because the entire investigation was flawed. Why I'm saying innocent person suffered inside. Sometimes you allow that approver, maybe the most guilty person, who should be incarcerated, who should be jailed, but you let that person off.